Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to archive and unarchive conversations in Facebook Messenger. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Facebook Messenger app and browse through your conversation list to find the specific conversation you want to archive. Archiving is a great way to declutter your main chat list without permanently deleting conversations. It keeps your messages safe while removing them from your immediate view, which is perfect for organizing chats you don't need to see every day but might want to access later. Once you've located the conversation you want to archive, press and hold on it. This will bring up a menu with several options for managing that conversation. From the options that appear, simply tap on Archive. That's all there is to it. The conversation will immediately disappear from your main chat list and be moved to your archived folder, keeping your inbox clean and organized. Now, if you ever need to access those archived conversations or want to unarchive them, the process is just as simple. Start by looking at the lower right corner of your Messenger app screen. You'll see a menu icon there. Tap on it to open up additional options and settings within Messenger. From this menu, look for and select the Archive option. This will take you to a dedicated section where all your archived conversations are stored. Here you can browse through every conversation you've previously archived and decide which ones you'd like to bring back to your main chat list. Find the specific archived conversation you want to restore to your main inbox. Once you've located it, press and hold on that conversation, just like you did when archiving it. This action will bring up another menu with options specific to archived chats. From the options that appear, tap on Unarchive. The conversation will instantly be moved back to your main chat list, appearing right where it was before you archived it. This makes it easy to restore important conversations whenever you need quick access to them again. And that's it. You now know how to both archive and unarchive conversations in Facebook Messenger, giving you complete control over how you organize your chats. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.